Namaskar. Rice is a staple for many of us and also a comfort food. But some of us feel heavy after eating rice or think that rice is harmful. Rice is nourishing, easily digestible, and key part of our culture. By adding some ingredients, you can change your rice into a medicine for your body. Let's see how to transform rice into a powerful wellness dish. The first ingredient is Moringa powder. Moringa powder is also known as miracle tree. Moringa is known for boosting immunity, fighting inflammation, and even supporting brain health. Moringa leaves are full of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, calcium, potassium, and proteins. So when you add some moringa leaves to your rice, you get all these nutrients. All you have to do is simply sprinkle small amount of moringa powder into your rice. After it's cooked, mix it thoroughly. The next ingredient you can add to your rice is cumin seed. Cumin seed or jeera is excellent for digestion and reducing bloating. This jeera rice is really helpful if rice is heavy on your stomach. Cumin is rich in iron and also helps balance blood sugar level. To use it, heat a small amount of ghee in your pan. Add a teaspoon of cumin seed and let them crackle till they release their aroma. Then stir this into your cooked rice. Not only it makes the rice aromatic, but it also gives your body digestive support, making your rice lighter and easier to digest. The third ingredient is bay leaf, tej patta. Bay leaves are known for their detoxifying property. They help in improving digestion and metabolism, supporting kidney health, have anti-inflammatory property, and antioxidant property that boosts immunity. Bay leaves are also source of vitamin A and vitamin B6. Simply add 1 or 2 whole bay leaves to water while cooking your rice. Let the leaf infuse while the rice cooks and remove them before serving. You will benefit from bay leaves' natural cleansing and healing property. The fourth ingredient is sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn is full of omega-3, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These nutrients in sea buckthorn nourishes your skin from within. It helps in the healing of acne, dermatitis, eczema, and even burns. It nourishes dry skin and balances oily skin. It also improves mental clarity and immunity and heart health. The sea buckthorn is good for people suffering from high blood pressure. It helps you healing stomach ulcer. It cures dysentery and other stomach ailments. Studies also show that sea buckthorn has anti-inflammatory and cardioprotective properties which can protect you from diseases. So mix a small amount of sea buckthorn powder into your rice after cooking. It will add a tangy, slightly fruity taste to your rice. And the fifth and the final ingredient is curry leaves. Curry leaves add a unique flavor and powerful dose of nutrients to your rice. Curry leaves are full of antioxidants, iron, and vitamin A and C. They help improve digestion, support liver health, and even help control blood sugar level. To use curry leaves in rice, simply saute fresh or dried curry leaf into ghee or coconut oil until they are slightly crispy, and then mix them into your rice. They turn your rice into a rejuvenating meal that is both tasty and medicinal. So here are the 5 simple ingredients that can make rice a healing medicine for your body. Try adding these ingredients into your next meal. Remember, food is not just something to fill your stomach. It's a way to heal our body, mind, and spirit. So stay nourished and let these natural ingredients bring healing to your daily life. Namaskar.